something to note, which is the fact that not every product designer or UX designer would go through this path, which is the linear path. If at some point you decide that you want to take a non-linear path as a UX designer, you have options. You can become a UX engineer. As the name implies, you are an engineer that has a UX background, so you'll be combining user experience with that technical knowledge of engineering. You would need to know how to code. Or you could also become a product manager. A product manager would typically work in a cross-functional team with a product designer and an engineer. They would work collaboratively to ensure that the business goals are met. So for example, think about you pushing metrics like retention, conversion, to mention a few. There's so many other fields you can move into. You can become a service designer, you can become a UX strategist, a content strategist, or a UX researcher. These are just a few to mention. The options that I just shared with you previously are non-linear paths within organizations. So there are also non-linear paths outside of organization. So you can decide to start to become an entrepreneur. To do this, you can start a design agency of your own, or even own a product, start building a product of your own. The other option would be to become a UX educator or trainer. So this is very popular, especially today, where a lot of people are looking to pivot or start a career in UX design. So you can train people to help them gain the necessary skills for them to pivot into the field of UX design or start a career within UX. The last option that I have on my list would be the option to become a UX consultant. So if you have really extensive knowledge in the field of UX design, you can decide to become a consultant. So you consult on behalf of companies and provide them with the necessary information to scale and grow their impact. Okay, I hope this helps clarify the different stages and the different paths you can take within your career as a product designer. If you have any questions as regards what the expectation for each role is, or any question whatsoever, please drop it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I publish new content, which I try to do weekly. Okay, and I come to you next time. Bye bye.